Hello friends, welcome back in another video. Today we are going to discuss about how to use all the shortcuts key into Intellij ID. So simply what we have to do. Let's see here. Suppose I just added here comment. Manually I just added here comment like control shift B. A multi-line comment it is adding here, and even this I want to delete this line. So how we can do? Just go into setting. Here we have key map. Into this, here we have to choose either Eclipse. Simply use this Eclipse guy and the STS guy. They can use the Eclipse here key map, and then OK, and then start using. If I come here and I want to delete this line, simply I do Control D, it is deleted. Suppose this indentation is like this. OK, just want to make the proper indentation as a shortcut with the Eclipse. So what we can do, firstly we have to select all and then we have to do Control I. So it will make indentation of proper indentation. Other than this, like if you want to input anything you want to do, so all the shortcuts it will work here. If I want to delete them, say Control D is working fine here. Alright, so all the shortcuts we can use here with the help of only we have to go into setting and map that Eclipse. That's it. That's it for today.